All right. So welcome to Digital Scholar Talk Show. And today we have Vidhi Tharad, who's a very successful international freelancer with us. And today we're going to see how joining Digital Scholar changed the way she's working right now. And we'll get to know everything about her. So welcome to the show, Vidhi. How are you doing?
Thank you, Rishi. Thank you for giving such a warm welcome. I am doing great. And yes, Digital Scholar helped me. It's all because of you two brothers. It really made me a successful freelancer, I must say, a digital marketer uh, with the help of Digital Scholar.
Right. And so first questions first, what were you doing before joining Digital Scholar? What was your journey? And tell us more about it.
So before joining a digital marketer or a digital scholar, basically, I have 12 or 13 years of experience in as a jewelry merchandiser designer. I have worked with lots of brands, high end jewelry brands in Mumbai. But that was again as a I was working there as an employee, not as a lady boss or as a it was not basically my own business, right? So I decided to shift a career change because that only will help me to become my own boss, not to work for someone, because it's been 13 years that I was working with them.
Right.
So
So basically,
that
you
was
wanted to start something of your own. That was your entire wish.
yes.
And that the primary reason to join Digital Scholar online course with us? Was that the primary reason that you wanted to shift from professional life to the entrepreneur life?
So actually, I will be very frank. When I was changing my career line, I was looking for multiple option. What I can do. Someone suggested me become a LIC agent, be take a franchisee or XYZ or XYZ, because I was ready to invest. Also, it was not that I was not ready to invest. I had a good saving because I was working for 13 years, but I was not happy. It was again the same routine which I was supposed to follow. I wanted to live a laptop life basically, so that I don't have to ask for permission for before going out for a holiday or before spending time with the family. So when I was exploring all this stuff, I came across with digital marketing as a career, and I thought, let me take a try. And I think it was not costing me too much, right? If I would have tried investing in a franchisee or in anything else, it would have cost me a bomb. So I made a sensible decision, thinking that it this let me try this, I will learn something, and suppose it doesn't work out for me, at least I will learn, I have a value, right? So that's the reason I opt for it. And I can proudly say that it really worked well for me. And it actually even when I was quitting the job, my family supported me to quit the job, but they were not sure that I be the successful entrepreneur, or again I will be land up into working with someone. So when I got my first international client, everyone was shocked because I was the first person who started earning in dollars. So
Wow.
that feeling I cannot express. I have earned lifetime, right? And I've earned good. But earning in a dollar, to crack that thing, how to crack an international client, was something which amazed me. And actually my family felt more proud now. The respect in the family, if you will say, they always respect me, they are very good. But when I started doing, they respect me more because I proved what I was talking, and they were saying, okay, yes, of sapna hai. But now actually when I proved it, it really changed the game
Right.
basically.
Wow, super. Congratulations. Now so the dream became a reality, right?
Yes,
Perfect.
yes.
Very, very good. Very nice to hear that. So, how did Digital Scholar bring in the clarity? I'm pretty sure you were more inclined in becoming an Instagram influencer and you wanted to grow your Instagram. You wanted to teach people how to do Instagram. That was the major clarity that you wanted to have. So, how did we come into picture? What was the learning like? And there was something that would have changed and you wanted to pursue that career and use Instagram as a service for other people, right? Which we'll talk more about it now. Yeah. So over to you.
So when I joined digital marketing or a digital scholar, I realized that digital marketing is an umbrella. No one can do everything till the time you have a agency. And I didn't have a dream of setting up an agency. Even today I don't have a dream to set up an agency. I want to live a laptop life. I want to be a freelancer basically. So I decided to catch a niche in Instagram. So because Instagram is a trend now, and it was in a trend when I started also. So even though I didn't had an account before that on Instagram, I selected that niche and I learned everything via Digital Scholar, and then I made it as a successful career also. So you I'll the best thing I will say, that you don't have to be a jack of all, even though you are learning it. Selecting a niche which you all gave me a clarity about, and that really helped me to grow.
Superb. So you got the niche clarity, and you also got the skills of how to basically do the Instagram for yourself and for your clients. Can you share what was the number of followers you had, and what is the number of followers growth that happened for you, and how that those things started changing for you in terms of your influence, and what was the kind of messages you started getting from people?
Okay, so the number I still remember, the number which I used to have, April 8th. Okay, April 8th I signed up for the course, and the number was approximately 275 to 280 as a number of followers. And at this point of time I have 3980 followers approximately. I will not say the follower growth is a huge, people get 10,000, 20,000 followers also, but I made an impact by getting clients. I didn't focus only on the followers. I made my page presentable, full of value. Like always I have heard this thing from y'all, that provide value. Okay, don't run behind the followers, provide value. So I think I have focused on that past. I keep on providing value on my page, and that's how I started getting client. I have not invested on the advertisement. Still I hardly spend 1,000 rupees on the advertisement, which gave me only 100 200 followers maybe. But the all the followers are basically because of the community which I got from Digital Scholar. We have an amazing digital marketers or professional or business owner community, those, and plus the follower which are taking my services and the clients basically. So followers different is not very exciting, but yes, it changed the game, my career gain. Basically I only get clients via Instagram or Facebook. That's the only way I cater clients.
Wow, so 4,000 organic followers is what you have gained. And not just the followers, the way you define things is beautiful, because you say that the followers do not matter. The number of people who you pay, who become clients, is more important. So, coming to the next question, what was the kind of revenue you made by selling services of Instagram to your clients? If you just want to share some numbers and if you're okay about it.
Yeah, so I'll tell you, when I used to work, I used to earn 50,000 rupees a month, which was quite sufficient for my lifestyle basically. But now I will not reveal the number, but yes, I have earned more than that. I am earning more than 50,000 rupees a month. In starting 4 months, it was little struggling. It was not that, but now I have started getting a consistent income, and the income is keep on growing. It in the job, at the end of the March, when you ask for the increment, it is hardly 5%, 10%, and I have actually achieved more than 20% in just 6 months time, right? So that is what it is really. I'm very happy for now. I have to don't wait for increment nor for bonus. I'm my own boss to give me bonus and increment both.
Right.
So
Fair enough. Very well said. And if for people who want to watch this video, you want to give one tip on how to become an international freelancer and what is the beauty about it, working with international clients and doing the services for them. So just one tip, if you want to share for people, one value that they can take out of this video.
yes, the one and most important thing which people will not even realize is over delivered. Okay, internationally they are so professional that they get services. If you commit them one, they only expect one, but when you give them one plus one, they are so happy with you that they will never let you go, or they will never ask you to quit. They will always keep on extending your services. So or if you are catering an international or a local kind, please over deliver what you commit. So in that way you will have a successful freelancing career. That's what I learned in freelancing. Please over deliver. That is the best tip one can give it to you.
Amazing, amazing, amazing insight. Actually, this is something new for me as well, because I totally believe and connect with the point that once you commit that these are your deliverables, and if you just give just even a small thing as an extra bonus, they are like so grateful, and then you can get social proofs from them. Then they actually do the word of mouth, and this is how you start getting more clients in the picture. So this is amazing, amazing tip. if you want to share, just you can share with us what are the number of clients that you're catering with respect to the countries. So which are the countries from where people are taking your service right now, and which part of the country you're coming from?
So I am from India. Basically, I am Indian,
Very, very
and and I'm from Mumbai.
nice.
And my clients are from recently. I've signed a $500 client from Ireland, which is a European country. I have a client in Canada. She belongs into clothing fashion niche. I have a client in Las Vegas. She belongs into credit services. So these three are the international clients which are actually giving me regular income basically. So these three country, and I know world is not too far. I will have every every city or every state, maybe I will have one client internationally. So
Definitely, definitely. I totally, I can foresee that happening for you as such. Awesome. So one last question, Vidhi. What is the one thing you're gonna miss about Digital Scholar or working with us, or if we stop training? So what is the one big thing you're gonna miss coming from us?
so if you stop training, the one thing is the update. Every digital marketer get update from Digital Scholar or from Saurav or Rishi. Eh, being a tool or on the update tool, Rishi is the one who remove video for the like first person to remove or give the review. So obviously that is one thing. If you all stop delivering, that is one thing. And plus there are a lot more things. Yeah, you all are there on a quick message, like if we post it, you both are there to reply. And lot more things, small things, we are still dependent on you. Somewhere we are so used to it that we can't even think of the what we will be missing, because till now you all are always there to help basically.
Right. Awesome, Vidhi. Thank you so much for joining this call on a short notice. And I'm pretty sure it's going to inspire a lot of people to take up international freelancing and see you as an inspiration. So thank you so much for doing this. And we will catch up again. Right.
Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you.
Pleasure is all my. Thank you so much, Rishi.
Bye. Take care. So see you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.